Hello, my name is Lolo. And my name is Melo. This is our Baba.
And this is our Mama.
Welcome to our family. On this channel, we tell stories. Slow stories. Easy stories. In English. Every story has a family, an adventure, and new vocabulary. For you.
Our stories are for English learners. We speak slowly. We speak clearly so you can understand every word.
This channel is for you if you are a beginner. If English is difficult, we speak slowly. For you.
And if you want to practice, if you want to practice English, our stories are for you. We promise. Welcome. Welcome means we are glad you are here. Welcome. Say it with me. Welcome.
Story. A story is words that make a world. We have many stories for you.
Every week, we have a new story.
A new adventure. New words.
Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell so you never miss a new story. We will see you soon. Welcome to Lolo and Melo.